So we're going to be installing a flat lock panel. So the first thing you need is your safety gloves. You want to make sure you have new gloves on that don't have any grease or grime that's going to transfer onto the face of your panels. And then you can go ahead and install your false starter. When you're installing the false starter, you need to make sure it's level so that your tiles or your panels are going to be level on your first row. Also, when you're installing this strip, if you miss one of the studs, you can go ahead and drill a new screw, a new location. But make sure you plug or seal up the first location. So taking your first panel, you'll have your hems facing you on the top and right hand side. The lower hem on the bottom is going to be engaging on this channel of the false starter. So one thing you need to do is open up this hem. Taking your hem bender or a similar tool, open that hem to give it a little bit more flexibility and a little bit more room to engage. Now, take your tile, take your panel, put it slightly lower, and then push up to engage. Now you can install with your clips. So we're using stainless steel panels, so you're going to want to use stainless steel clips. Each clip has two fasteners. And these particular panels are going to have one clip on the top and one clip on the right hand side. When you're installing these clips, you want to make sure you're installing it screwing straight into the wall. You don't want to do it at an angle. You don't want to over tighten or over torque these panels. Next, your second panel is going to overlap the right hand side of the original. Same thing, we went ahead, we opened up this hem slightly to accommodate the hem on the bottom of this false starter. So you want to make sure you're engaging your false starter, but also overlapping and engaging your first panel. You can't get it in by hand. You could use a tapping block, rubber mallet, to get it into place. Once again, using your clips, and install your second panel.